This was the way.
What is that? I will find you on this for real. What is that?
Backside here then.
Please, go ahead. Hello.
Hello. He's a stranger. We're just gonna let him sleep in our house.
I want to ask you some questions.
But Jennifer Lawrence finds a world of trouble in Mother. He's a stranger. We're just gonna let him sleep in our house. You can watch the newest movies weeks before they're available to rent and enjoy them at home, stream them on the go, or download them from your device. So let's get started with a reboot of the 1990s sci-fi classic Flatliner. Ellen Page stars as Dr. Courtney Holmes, a leader of a group of medical students trying to find out what life after death looks like.
Yeah, so once a happy New Year's to everybody. As you mentioned, welcome to another vlog. It's another night vlog. I'm showing fireworks and baiting, yeah. So process of touching out right now to the beats. Oh yeah, after the vlog, brother. Anyways. John, start. You're awkward. Awkward. But anyways, I'm sure right now still, so it's journey. So yeah guys, we pull up at Palisades. Them say it's the best place to watch the fireworks. Them say better than town. So currently they tell us we have a bag of people park on the roadside for guests to watch it. You understand? So my mad friend will come out with now, I will jump off in the water. Yeah. The highway road is basically. So so what them are gonna watch out and so what. Yes, I see a view of the place. Yeah, I see we out everywhere.
Have a shirt on.
I said drop up. Go on and test it. Go on. Come now. Go on and stop for. Mate, oh, this is like it moves. That's right. That's the side there like it move, brother.
So right there.
Go on, go test the rock stone. You can step on stone. Go on.
No, I'm good, man. I just say if I drop and sleep, stone will stop me. Water stop me.
But more stone there, sit there. Let's go and check it and come back.
But after water.
Let's go and check it and come back now.
You can go.
Yeah, swim, I don't. You can't swim?
Swim water, you can't go float.
Kilo shots, kilo shots, kilo shots. So now, you're not trying to no chaser, right? Just Skittles chase it.
Skittles chase it. Man says Skittles chase it.
Skittles chase it. Alright, yeah man.
Good for me.
I swear you gotta. Yeah. You bring the chase to that?
It's not strong, you know. It's just sour.
Must be most time I barely chase things if any of them.
That might change the color of this album.
I want to make some strawberry banana smoothie and throw some in it.
Yeah,
I
give me a
really know
little bit.
if I... No, that was peanut butter.
One with less ketchup.
You want the less ketchup and most pepper.
I one with
One with ketchup on.
Chicken them want there. Sweet no? I tell you, I'm pretty my food is too terrible.
I want the most pepper.
Bargain.
Put the most pepper on that one then.
Yeah, that's not right. What's the pepper, right?
Yeah.
No ketchup.
Yeah, put ketchup on it. Little bit of ketchup.
One bag or separate bag.
One bag. No, give me separate. Come on.
You want ketchup and pepper on it?
Ketchup, no ketchup. Yeah, I understand. Cup some jerk chicken. Sorry about that. Cup some jerk chicken. If you want to come way out of there. What is the name? Ababi Runabout. Yeah.
More pepper. It's right.
The traffic is flipping tight now. Oh shit, I didn't know this. This is like a whole minute before the fireworks start. What that? What's that? What's that? A mini fireworks? Don't cut the come early. What the fireworks there? That's a fire there?
Yo, going there, what the frick?
Yeah, this was the way.
What is that?
What?
I will find you on this for real. What is that?
Backside here then. No, this was a big waste of my time. That's more exciting than the fireworks, trust me. Better me just go on one party and go chill. At least I go do that after this. But yeah, that was the lame ass fireworks. Hope you enjoy it, because I didn't. Just could buy the crowd at town. Better me just go in a town, make them ramp, then thief my camera and thief my ramp me and take everything from me. Just to get the cover X footage for one, but this was let me carry a bus shut out of the muffler, it better, trust me. But you know, I met someone new tonight, by the way. I don't know if she's gonna call me. I didn't take her number because I'm never really. I forced myself upon nobody. Yeah. So you go. This couple. Make sure someone in that picture there now. Make sure they come like a poor thing over here, sir. Yeah. Yes. Oh, fire expire finish. Oh, the hair not gonna reach up now. Oh my god. I don't really like going out of the car. I like the style. Trust me, I like the style.
Stay there and go on.
I'm very time we're going on. But you're not born to do a story. Tell him the story now, dog. All the straight people and tell them this now, dog.
Girl from
But some boy try to hold up them girls. Don't tell them that.
Alright.
I go start dancing at the place. Sing and tell them.
dancing, gotta say, the go to bubble. Run this country. Everybody with the party.
It's number 59.
Everywhere in town, I don't know.